Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. Today is September 2nd, 2015, and today's Wednesday morning. So looking at the economic calendar this morning, we have a GBP number coming out at 10:30 this morning, PMI number, some significance. We'll look at the GBP, Japanese yen, to see how much it's moved. We'll also have at 2:15 South African time, a non-farm payroll number coming out of the United States. So looking at the markets, well, I said at the beginning of the year that the indices would be the major trades of the year, and so far that has been very true. Looking at the Euro USD, not much happened yesterday in the Euro USD, just trading a little bit. Altogether we're a little bit of a trading range, a very tight trading range. So after the bulls, the bears, we rallied all the way to 116, we retraced to 111-ish, and now we're somewhere in the middle. So really nothing to write home about the Euro USD. However, looking at the GBP Japanese yen, we've got a little bit of movement. So looking at this big rally right here, this about 150 pip move, after retracing from this 185, it kind of bottomed out right here. Looks a little bit similar to what's going on in the Dow Jones right now, but completely irrelevant to it. Okay, so looking at the Dow Jones, we sold off sharply yesterday. This is yesterday's move. We hit about 16,000. So we sold off about 400 points yesterday, as you can see in this move right here. We're bouncing a little bit this morning. We closed at the bottom of 1600. A really good place to pick it up actually overnight. Pretty great trade if you took it overnight. I was considering it. It's just it could have tested this double bottom, but as you can see, this is a bull flag. I'd expect us to get back to this 17,000 level before, I would say, the end of September. But let's see if that stands. Okay, and I don't like to make these predictions with that on a daily basis. Looking at the CL, looking at oil right here. Oil sold off yesterday, trading at $44 a barrel. We rallied all the way to about $47, and we're just retracing. It's hard to say, okay, if this is going to test its lows or this is just short covering right here. I'd like to see it test this level again to make sure that it's hit a bottom, okay, but I've yet to see it really hit a bottom yet in the oil. Looking at the DAX, very similar to the Dow Jones. We sold off yesterday quite sharply. Let's see if we can rally this morning. Most of the indices around the world are up this morning, including the Nikkei, really up big. So there's lots of movement, lots of momentum, and lots of things going on. I would concentrate on the indices this morning. I would concentrate on oil to see if it's going to bounce more, and that is the play for today. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. Thank you.